What's the matter, girl? Don't bite your own tail. This is my dog, Seven. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. To the world. To the people. Most of you might know her because I post a couple pics of her on Google Plus, so maybe Facebook. Look at this tail. Look at it. It's a wackadoodle. Oh no! Come back here. No, stay, stay, stay. I love you. Stay. Don't leave me. You're a pretty doggy. You're a pretty girl, aren't you? Aren't you? My last video, we played that. We did 2 rounds of that. My sister beat it me twice. Got this tail. I got this magical tail. I got this magical tail. You wanna say bye? Say bye. Say bye. Alright, see ya later.